Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for an episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. I haven't been feeling well the last few days. It's kind of catching up with me. So I wanted an easy meal. So we're going to make buttered beef and noodles. It's just what it sounds like. It's beef roast with butter and noodles. So it sounds good to you. Stick around and I'll show you how I make it. Alright y'all, this is like super easy. I got like a 2¼ pound chuck roast. Just stick that in there. Packet of French onion soup mix. Dump that over. And about a stick of butter. So that's all you need. Put the lid on it, put it on low, and let it cook for 8 to 9 hours. So let's get this cooking and we'll bring you back along the way. Alright y'all, it's been a couple hours. That butter's all nice and melted and getting down in there and soaking into that meat. Oh, and it smells delicious. So yeah, a few more hours and we'll be eating. So alright. Alright y'all, it's been 8 or so hours. Our roast is looking delicious and it is just fall apart tender. So we're going to shred it up. If you guys can see what I'm doing or not, but I'm just basically breaking this roast up. Break it up into some nice bite-sized pieces. Alright, get that all broke up. I'm going to take a couple cans of mushrooms, because I like mushrooms in my beef and noodle. And then I got the windy egg noodle. That might be too many. My bag kind of ripped. Alright, let's mix those in and find out what we got there. I think that'll be fine. Let me get a better stirring device here. Oh yeah, that'll be fine. Alright, now put the lid back on it, and I just keep checking it until the noodles are good and soft, so which is about a half an hour, 45 minutes, something like that. So we'll put the lid back on her and let her cook, and we'll come back and check in a little bit. Alright y'all, those noodles have set, they've softened up, they look great, so we'll grab a bowl and we'll get to doing our taste test. Alright y'all, time for the taste test. So like I said, I haven't been feeling well the last couple days. Don't have much of a taster, but I know this stuff tastes really good because I've had it before. That is really good. Good taste to it. Onion soup mix, awesome, good flavor. Noodles are done perfect, so I'm gonna go get some rest. Appreciate y'all watching. Thank you for subscribing. Please hit the thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, and we'll we'll catch you all on the next one. Oh, bon appetit.